Howdy folks, my name's Jay. Today I am in a custom cabinet shop that has been running one of our WOODMILL CNC Technologies machines for just over a year now. When we deliver these WOODMILL machines to your shop, it is a 100% turnkey system. We show up with the router, vacuum system, full set of tooling specific to your needs, and we also already have these machines paired up with VCarve Software. We literally are cutting your parts the very same day that we show up with the machine. Today I'd like to take you into the office and show you how easy it is to program custom parts in VCarve software. Come on.
Okay folks, here we go. I just opened up VCarve Pro. A very simple, user-friendly software, very powerful. We package this up with all of our WOODMILL CNC technology routers. We're going to start off on the left side of the screen by setting up our job material. So we are going to say it is single-sided. We're just going to machine one side of the material. The size of the material, the width, let's use the scrap when we go out in the shop. Let's say 16 inches wide, and that piece of scrap is 24 inches long, and we'll use a 3/4 MDF. So we're going to say the thickness is 0.75. The Z0 is going to be the bottom of the material, which is the machine bed, and our XY is going to be on the bottom left corner of the table. So we're going to say OK. Now here's our material. So we could simply pull in an existing CAD file that you have on your computer. You can import a drawing if you have a logo or some lettering or signage, but you can pull that in here, or we can simply draw inside of VCarve. They have some simple CAD drawing tools. So let's do a circle with a star in the middle. So we're going to say draw circle. And let's say we want that to be a 12-inch diameter. So the radius would be 6 inches. And we are going to bring that into the middle of our material. Let's do a double. So let's do a 1-inch band around the star. So we'll do another circle. This time we'll say the radius is 5.5. We'll snap that to the center. We'll close it. Now we could draw a star in CAD, or we can use this draw star tool and say number points 5, radius 5.5. So we're going to go ahead and drag this into the center. And there we go, a simple star. So let's say we are cutting this. We're doing this for Joseph, so we want to put a capital J in the middle of the star. So we're going to go back to draw text, and we're going to type in a capital J. We can select any font here. We're going to say we want it to be bold, and the height, say 3 inches tall. Let's see what that looks like. Oops. Okay, there we go. Now notice it's highlighted. Now if we click on it twice, these toggles are going to appear. With the toggles, you can grab either corner and stretch in that direction. Make this a little bit bigger. Or you can grab the center toggle and you can move. So let's see if we can get this. Let's shrink it down just a little bit more. There we go. We'll move it. Okay, I like it. There we go. Now let's machine it. Let's move to the right-hand side to toolpaths. And we're going to start off by carving out this backdrop around the star. So we're going to select the star, hold the Shift key down, and select this inner circle. Now toolpaths, we have a profile, we have pocket, we have drilling, quick engrave, VCarve. So for this, we just want to pocket that out. We're going to select pocket. Depth, let's say we are going to go 3/8 deep, 0.375. This, we're going to select our tooling, and it has the 3/16 bit, so that works. We want to keep a small radius so we can get in tight inside these corners. We can do that in one pass, though. So let's edit passes, one pass, OK, and let's calculate. OK, there it goes. It's carved out that backdrop. Go back to 2D view. Now let's do the same thing with the letter J. Let's also do a pocket toolpath. That one also 3/8 deep, edit passes. Let's do that in one pass. And calculate. There we go. Now, let's cut this part out. Let's cut this outer circle. So we're going to select that, and then we're going to go back to our tool pass. This time we'll do a profile tool path. And the depth now, since our material is 3/4 thick, we want to cut through the material. So we're going to say 0.765. And we are using our 3/8 end mill, and we're going to do that in one pass. And now it's going to cut the outside of the circle. We can also cut the inside, or we can center the cut on the center of the circle. So we're going to calculate that, see what it does. Okay, now it's giving us a warning. It's telling us that it's cutting through the material. And that is correct. That is okay. So we're going to preview all tool paths. Now this excess material, if you double click on that, it'll remove that material. Just for viewing purposes, you can see. We're gonna look at this, and I think it looks pretty good. We'll do that. I like it. I think Joseph will like it. So, okay, now that we're done drawing and programming, we're going to select all those tool paths, and we're just going to save this file so we can go out and cut it on our WOODMILL CNC Technologies machine. So save tap file. We're going to put that tap file on a thumb drive, and let's go out in the shop and have some fun.
Okay, it's just that simple. With your WOODMILL CNC Technologies router and VCarve software, the possibilities are endless. I appreciate you watching this video. If you have any questions or you're interested in putting one of these machines in your shop, you can email me direct at jay@woodmillcnctechnologies.com. If you'd like to see more of these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.